Hello, welcome to Pop Along RC. I'm Carl, this is Mark, and this weekend it's back to the BRCA MTC Nationals where I am going to be racing. I absolutely cannot wait. There are still spaces available if you're really quick.
Whoa. I've got to stop you there.
What?
Right, I've got to stop you there. Forget about the national. All right, but don't. We're going to be there. But listen, I think we should address the elephant in the room, which was the video that we shot on Sunday morning. Very early.
Saturday morning.
Was it Saturday morning?
It was Saturday morning.
Oh, right.
It was very early though.
I can't even remember. Anyway, we've been inundated with comments and reasons why this might have happened. For those of you that didn't see it, roll the footage.
Yeah, go on then.
Okay, so there's the footage. Now, is this an opportunity for me maybe to excuse...
Oh, so excuses then. Excuses. Well, listen, right? I'm going to get serious now.
Get serious.
I've got my glasses on for this.
It is serious.
So, I have taken the opportunity to write down a few of the comments these good people have put down. Right?
Go on then. Hit me with it.
So, first of all, somebody said, they commented, the reason that car crashed is not because of your incompetence and you're a terrible driver. They said
I'm a good driver.
Yeah. They said it could be the battery strap. Do you think it could be the battery strap?
That one, I'm not going to know. It wasn't the battery.
They're saying it could have got caught.
It could have got caught on the ground. It's a very low car and it's a very bumpy road. But no, I don't think it was the battery strap. But I'll take it.
You've got a lot of explaining to do.
Okay. What you got next for me?
Right.
Then?
Someone said it's too cold to go out and do a fast one with the car. Could
now,
have been that.
There might be something in that because I had to de-ice the car that morning.
You did.
My temperature in the car said 4 degrees as I was pulling up. So
yeah.
It was pretty cold.
It was cold. Somebody said the fog will make the ground all wet.
The ground was wet.
Mm-hmm. And damp.
It was a little bit damp.
Yeah. Somebody also said you could have warmed the tyres up. Did we think of that?
We have actually got tyre warmers, haven't we?
Yeah, we have actually got tyre warmers.
No, we didn't do that.
Alright, well, do you want to hear a few more of them then?
Come on then.
Alright, the next thing people said is the road's not flat enough.
I thought it might not be flat enough. Now,
why didn't you say anything?
I did, but you said no, it was fine for the Vantage, but they were buggies.
Yeah.
This is a speed car.
Mm-hmm. Somebody, next one, actually said you two were stupid. You don't go out that early and do a speed one.
That's probably got a point.
Well, I didn't crash it, you did, so it's not me that's stupid, is it?
Fair enough.
The next thing somebody said is, could it have been a glitch in the radio gear?
Well, do you know what? If it had crashed miles away from me, it might have been a glitch, but it was actually close to me when it crashed. So
could have been
I'm not going with a glitch on the radio.
Alright. The next thing somebody said, before we run it, did you, now I'm pointing the finger at you, did you sort out the end points?
You did that. I've got the video footage here. Okay, so you got it all trimmed up?
Yes, ready.
Just had a little blip up and down. What's it doing already? You've just set up the car. That was your job.
Anyway, so you didn't do it?
I didn't do it because you did it for me.
Alright. Somebody also said you could have slowed the car down. You know, apparently we didn't. We did rush.
Hang on a second. You want me to do a speed run?
Yeah.
With a slow car.
I'm not. That's not what I said. That's what they said. Run.
Come on, next.
Next. Somebody also said that in their country, now this could have been somebody from the USA, or whatever. They don't call curbs.
No, what do they call them?
They call them smashers.
Oh, right.
Yeah, smashers or curb magnets or something like that. That's what they said.
It was attracted to that curb. Yeah.
All right.
It could be the curb magnets.
Yeah,
I think that might have been it. But you know what?
What?
It started going wrong way before that.
Yeah, it did. I forgot the batteries. Oh,
It
no.
just wasn't meant to be.
Wasn't meant to be. But you know the most disappointing thing is, and I need to read you this bit. I didn't tell you about this bit.
Go on then.
Rlaarlo,
Rlaarlo.
the people that make the car,
Yeah.
well, they emailed us.
Were they happy?
Shall I read you what they said?
Go on then.
God's
Read me
honest
what they
truth,
said.
they emailed us. They said, "Dear Mark and Carl, I watched your video and thank you very much for getting up so early to shoot it."
We did get up very early.
We did. The rock, paper, scissors are interesting, is what they said. Ha ha.
Funny. Funny, I'll go with that.
But the time it took from running to being crashed really surprised me. Sad face.
We're disappointed.
I think they're disappointed. They also,
to be honest, I'm not disappointed as well. I was just getting into it.
yeah, but they also went on. It says, "P.S. The next time you do it, hand the controller to Mark because he's clearly the better driver."
They did not say that.
No, they didn't say that. However, I don't think they're very impressed.
No, but
What?
do you know what?
What?
In all seriousness,
Go on.
to get that car back up and running, do you know
Yeah.
how much it's going to cost?
How much?
$12.
$12. Okay.
So let's get the car fixed. Let's have another go.
Yeah.
This time,
Yeah.
I'll set the car up,
You
make
set the
sure
car
it's
up.
all
You set
straight,
the car
make
up.
sure it's all done,
Yeah.
and you can squeeze the trigger.
Yeah. All right. I'll
That's
give
the
it a go.
plan.
Do you know what though? Looking back, that car crashed at 45 miles an hour into a curb
Backwards.
backwards and didn't cause much damage at all. I have to say, I really like the car.
It's a nice bit of kit.
Yeah. And I
Just gutted that we stuffed it into a curb.
Well, yeah,
We.
yeah. We. All right. I'll take some of the blame.
You've got to take some of the credit for your poor setup.
All right, fair enough. But no, thoroughly impressed with the car. We're going to fix it, get it back out again. I'll have a go. We need to see how fast we can get it.
Yeah, and I think I've got a new spot as well with a slightly flatter road.
No curb
Just-
magnets. No
there's a-
smashers.
They've got
What have they got?
lampposts.
Not lampposts.
They've got a whole magnetic drawer of their own, those things.
They certainly have.
And
yeah.
I'm not sure if it's long enough, but it's definitely flatter than the one we've got. So we're going to have to do a couple of recce's,
Yeah.
find the perfect spot for the perfect speed run.
All right. Well, anyway, let's go fix it and, you know, go do it again then.
All right.